What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your host, Mr. LLC, back with another one. And today, got an unboxing. So, my guy Hank, some of you might know him out there from Indiana Airguns, sent me a care package. Showed up yesterday. Didn't get a chance to get to the box until today. There we have it. If you don't know who Hank is, he's got a YouTube channel. It's called Indiana Airguns. And he puts out some great content. It's like you're sitting in the living room chatting with the guy, just having a good old conversation, drinking your favorite beverage, talking about air guns and life. That's his channel. Makes you feel at home and welcome. And he's fun doing it. So this is from him. I want to say thank you. Haven't opened it yet. He didn't tell me what's in it, so I'm going to trust it's airgun related. Let's pop it open. So he told me it's nothing special, but then I responded to him in the email and I said, whether you think it's special or not, it's from an air gunner. That's special to me. So I was excited to hear that they got here and ready to open it. So I don't know what this is here. I don't know if there's anything here that I can show you. Okay, he tore it out. It's just order sheet. I'm assuming that's maybe what's in here. Okay, I'm second here. He sent a note. I'm going to read it as long as there's nothing in here that I. Okay, here we go. The LLC 24/7, aka Mr. LLC. Sorry for it being so long. Here are some things that I hope you find useful. Thank you for your understanding and allowing me some extra time to get these items to you. Look forward to seeing them on your channel, so I'm always watching. Thank you for being a part of Indiana Airguns and watching some of my videos till the end. Every video that I've watched till the end. I haven't seen all of your videos, but I'll tell you, every one that I've watched to the end. It really means a lot. Your friend, Hank of Indiana Airguns. Hank, thank you very much. I appreciate the sentiment and the kind words. You're the man. And I'm sure everything in here will be as much use. Oh, starting off hot. Got some ammo. Got some Gammo Magnum Energy Country. These are 22 cal, 1 gram. I really can't read that well. Let's see. Let's get closer so I can see it. Okay. 1 gram, 15.42 grain. And there's a crow. I got some crow shooting ammo. Thank you, Hank. Because I do have a problem with crows and my vehicles around here, so nice. Nice pointed Gammo 22 cal ammo to go crow hunting with. Awesome start. Oh, okay, so Gammo Swarm Whisper 10X right here. Already have plans. Come on, Hank. Already started off good. Come on. All right, so second thing in the box looks like a wheel to adjust your optic, your scope. UT, if I'm wrong, you guys tell me, but I'm thinking that's what that is. Put it on there and you go like this. Oh, look, here it is. Side wheel for AccuShot SWAT scopes. So, yeah. If you have the option to use that, option of this, so yeah, it's not your wind is your elevation adjustment, but it's for, let's say, your parallax adjustment wheel. That's what that's for. Awesome. Okay. We're still going strong. We're still going strong. Let's see. We get all the goodies in the shot. Gotta get all the goodies in the shot. Cool ass note. Ammo. Adjustment wheel. Oh. Some Ranger grips, bands, pistol grips, rubber grips. 3 colors. Green, tan, and black. Yeah. Ooh, these are cool. I don't have any of these. Hank, man, you know how to treat a guy, bro. You know how to treat a fellow air gunner. You didn't know I don't have any of this stuff. Well, obviously I have pellets, but I don't have those. I don't have these. The box, still going. More ammo. Oh man, you must know I have a crow problem. So here's some more of those. So we got 2 of those. Oh, here's another one. Got 3 of those. Sweet. What are these? Are 22 cal Hunter Impact Country. These are domed pellet, low dome. I don't know, I would call this a wad cutter. It doesn't look flat. But, nope, it's not a wad cutter. It's a domed 22 caliber pellet. Okay. And I don't just have to use these on crows. I've got a bunch of tree rats or squirrels around here that like to make their way into my attic. So we got those. And one more. Is that it? Yep, that's it. And we got some TS-22 long distance competition. 22 cal pellets. Now these aren't designated for hunting. These are more for target shooting. Target shooting plinking. Oh man, these are thick and heavy looking. Nice. It's got a nice deep cavity in the skirt there. Catch that air, a little bit more velocity downrange. Nice, nice, nice. I gotta say, everything in this box is 100% legit. Yes, sir. Greatly, greatly appreciated. How many grains is this? This, what does it say? 1.41 grams. What? 21.75 grain? That's a pretty heavy, decently weighted pellet. And what was this one? 15.42 grain. So, yeah, cool stuff. Cool stuff. Hank, you did superbly, my friend. You did superbly. Cool note. 5 tins of pellets. Some pistol grip. And a parallax adjustment wheel. That's right, wheel. With that cool whip. Thank you, sir. I greatly appreciate it. You guys go on. I'll link his channel in the description. Indiana Airguns. Hank. Tell Hank I sent you. Go check out his channel. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, your favorite beverage, snack, chillax, watch your guy send some pellets downrange, talk about life. Yeah, that's Hank. It's your boy, Mr. LSC, signing out, telling you something is better than nothing. Always greatly appreciated when you guys send me stuff. Keep you and yours safe at all times. Wish you God bless. And peace. Hank, you're number one, bro. You're the champ. Thank you. God bless.